welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Sonia. So today we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day inspired makeup tutorial. I did make a poll on Instagram asking you guys if you wanted to see a Valentine's Day inspired makeup look, and most of you voted yes. I had no idea what to film, so I was like, oh my god, yeah, Valentine's Day is coming up, so like why not do a Valentine's Day inspired makeup look? And everybody's doing it. I did already prep my skin. I did add foundation. My skin has been horrible. I don't know why. Yeah, so I guess we'll just get started. I already have a look that I want to recreate. Well, I'm going to not exactly recreate it, but I'm going to have like my own twist to it. Maybe a little more red tones. It's like a look that I found. So it's like something like this. I don't know if you guys can see it. But yeah, we're going to kind of like do something like that. And I'm not sure who created it, but I'll have it linked in the description once I find out. So I'm going to show you guys step by step. It's actually like pretty easy. You just have to take your time and you'll be okay. So first things first. So I didn't prime my eyelids, so we're going to do that first. I'm going to go with my MAC paint pot in soft ochre, and I like to just apply this like with my finger. Okay, so once this eye primer is on, I am gonna set it, just because I find when I don't set it, like I crease, like my shadows actually crease. I can't my Valentine's Day is already next week. It's crazy. Let me know what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. Unfortunately, I am not doing anything. Yes, I do have a boyfriend, but he's not going to be in Montreal. He's going to be working outside of Montreal, so it is a little sad that we won't be spending Valentine's Day together, but I guess we'll just celebrate it another day. So for this look, it's going to be basically a cut crease, but with a liner, but with shadow. It's gonna be cool. So I think the first color, well, the first palette we're gonna go into is the new Nude Hoodie, what did I even say? The new Nude Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. It's like I had a hard time. So the first color we're gonna go into is Tickle. So it's like this pinky color. We're going to place that all over our crease. So we're just going to flick it out like that a little bit. We're going to cut the crease afterwards. I'm going to just take a clean blending brush and I'm just going to blend out the edges because it's looking a little rough here. I am just highlighting my brow bone right now. I'm just kind of using like a silverish shimmery color to highlight it. Okay, so I still want to keep this a little pink. Oh my god, my hair is everywhere. Now we're going to just take a more defined blending brush and we are going, you know what? We're going to go into that Ruby Huda Beauty palette. I'm going to start with this color right here. I'm just going to basically mix the two because I don't want it too red, but I don't want it too pink. I want the pink to still show, so I'm just going to kind of pop it underneath, just like that. We could dip into the red just a bit more. And we're gonna just follow basically where we flicked it out. And we'll go back and forth with the other color. because I still wanted to keep it like, oh, a little pink. Okay, so it's gonna look something like this. So I think now what we'll do is we're gonna do the cut crease. I've never done it on camera, so I'm kind of a little scared. Just take a flat brush and I'm gonna use just a concealer. Yo, I'm scared. I'm afraid I'm gonna mess it up on camera because usually I'm like leaning on something so I can like get it like super nice. The thing is, I don't have a lot of lid space, so it's like really hard for me to get it super like smooth looking, if you will. Just trying to make it a little more smooth because it's looking a little rough. Girl, we did it! Okay, so this is basically how you want it to look like. You know, I was struggling, man. Okay, I'm gonna hurry up and set it just because knowing me, I will look up and it will transfer and I really don't want that to happen. I'm just gonna go end up doing the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So basically this is what we have right here. I cut this side and it was a little harder just because I feel like this side I have less lid space than this side. It was a little harder to get them symmetrical. So yeah, that was my problem. Anyways, okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're basically gonna do the liner with the eyeshadow. So to make it a lot easier, we're gonna just put tape. That's all. And if you use tape, your life is just so much easier. So we're basically just doing a wing liner. We can start with that pink shade that we used first, and we're basically gonna drag it like this. So if you see, and you have your tape here, so you don't have to worry about making a mess because it's gonna just clean it up for you. So we're basically, it's like doing a wing liner for you, but with shadows. So we're basically just using the same colors that we used for the crease. Now I'm going in with the red and pink in the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette. So you see kind of the effect that it's creating. So now you could just take a clean blending brush and you just want to buff out. Okay, I kind of want it a little darker. Okay, so we pretty much have this. It's pretty easy if you just take your time to do it because it does take a lot of blending. I'm gonna just take off the tape now. Ugh. So you see, it kind of like does the wing for you. It looks so much cleaner. And guys, I curled my hair. I haven't curled my hair in so long. Like, I just want my hair to get longer already. But obviously since I curled it, it looks like so much shorter. Okay, so we're gonna just, I want to really clean this up because I'm looking a little cray-cray, just a little bit. So I'm just gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty concealer. I'm putting a lot just because the shadow fell everywhere and I just want it to cover. I'm going to blend it out. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty powder. I've been loving this powder. It looks so smooth. I think it's the powder that does the magic. I really like her powder. I think honestly it's my go-to powder. It's not like super matte. It's like a soft matte. Like it just kind of blurs everything out. The only thing with this powder is that you can't leave it on too long because it just gets really hard to wipe away after. So I'm just adding some mascara before we go in with some lashes. I'm just going to add my Mineralized Skin Finish Powder by MAC in medium golden all over my face. Okay, so we're gonna end up contouring now. I don't know what's going on with my camera. I honestly need a new camera because from what I've heard, this camera is not made to film. I think it's time for your girl to get a new camera. I'd probably end up selling this one, obviously. It's just really annoying because I'm not really technically able to film. Like sometimes my camera just ends up dying and your girl doesn't have time for that. Like, so yeah, my camera ended up telling me that I had no room anymore. So I had to take some of the clips and already put them on my computer to make room for what I had now. And then my camera told me that it was dying, so I was like, oh my god, like, I can't. I always have these issues every time I film, pretty much. So we're gonna go with some blush. We are going in with a pink blush. This is from the drugstore. This is the Milani Baked Powder Blush and Luminoso. It's like a nice pink, has a nice sheen to it. So we are making these cheeks rosy. I do want to clean up my contour, so I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty one. So now we are going to highlight. So I want to make everything pink, of course. I'm going with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Highlighter in Soft and Gentle. This was like my first highlighter ever. I'm just gonna actually set my face really quickly. Really want to make this highlighter like poppin'. That's what I really like about this highlighter, is that you can wear it really natural, a subtle glow, or you can build it up to be blinding, I'm telling you. Look at that. Put some on my temples. The bridge of the nose. And we're just gonna add some on the tip of the nose. I love that. Highlight come through. Ugh. Okay, I have to put my lashes on now. Okay, so I'm using the velour lashes in Fluff and Wispy. Okay guys, so I'm back. So I pretty much just added mascara to my bottom lashes and I added my lip color. So I added MAC Cosmetics Soar Lip Liner and I added 2 Anastasia liquid lipsticks in Catherine and in Stripped. So I added Stripped just in the center of my lips just to create a ombre effect. I just added a little bit of gloss on top just because it's like way too matte and way too drying for me at the moment. I really hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, this Valentine's Day inspired makeup look. I'm loving it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. Please subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me and I so appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video or this makeup look, please give this video a thumbs up and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!